Hi, welcome back. In this class, we are going to understand BoxFit option that available in images. In our last class, we clearly discussed about how to add images to your Android application using a image class. In that image class, we are having a property called BoxFit because most of the times we are going to add images in a container, in a box. So there are multiple options available to fit in the box, and you need to understand how the image is scaled down according to the options available. These are the things which we are going to understand here. So we are not focusing on how we have written this code. Inside a container, we are placing a image. So which image we are placing? Let's try to check the image. This is the image. So this is the image. This is 1024 by 1024 image, means square image. On this image, if you fit this image on a box, what happens and what are the options that are available? Now let's check this fit option. For the fit property, what is the class? BoxFit. Let's go into this. It's an enumeration type, and the values that are available are fill option, contain option, cover option, fit width, fit height, none, scale down. These are the values that available. Let's check what happens for all these values. Now coming to this, see here, when you check the output, boxfit.cover. So if you want to check the coding for this, this code is available in our website wisdomers.in, and in the Android application for Flutter, using Flutter, in that course, this code is available. You can copy the code and you can use it. Now let's try to understand boxfit.cover option. So what happens? Our image size is 1024 by 1024, but here the box size is different. What's the box size that we have considered here? The box size that considered in this code, see, 200 by 150. But the image size is 1024 by 1024. Means you need to understand how the scaling has to be done. See, this is how scaling has done. Let's try to understand this boxfit.fill option. For the fill option, how it is going to do? Means the entire image has to be filled inside the box. In order to do that, first it is going to scale x-axis, means width, box width by image width. It is going to calculate this. Similarly, scale y-axis, box height by image height. Here box width is, in this option, the box width is, see, we have considered box width is, image width is 1024 by 1024, and see here, box width is 300 and box height is 200. Now let's understand how it is going to scale. Now coming here, scale x, scale y, box width by image width and box height by image height. So the resulting width should be image width multiplied by scale x, which is equal to box width. With example, you are going to understand. Scale x is equal to 300 by 1024, which is 0.2929. Scale y is a 200 by 1024, which is 0.1953. So the resulting width is calculated like this: 1024 multiplied by 2929, 0.2929, which is, you are going to get 300. This is how image is going to be scaled down. Resulting height is 1024 by 0.1953, which is, height has been reduced to 200, scaled down to 200. But the point you need to understand, whenever you use the fill option, the aspect ratio is not going to be maintained. For image, actual image aspect ratio is 1024 by 1024, which is 1. But box aspect ratio is 300 by 200, which is 1.5. So that's why aspect ratio is not maintained. Image looks little bit distorted. So if you use fill option, there is a bit of distortion in the image. So that is what you need to understand. Now coming to the next option after image option, fill option, contain option. Check the document, check the code. See the third one, BoxFit.fill option. The complete box is filled, but there is a small distortion in the image. You need to identify. You download the image and apply the code. You are going to understand how that distortion happened and where it has happened and all those things. So the third image is BoxFit.fill option. Now coming to the next one, BoxFit.contain option, second option. What happens when you use contain option? Contain means the entire image has to be contained inside the box. You should not lose the image. The entire image has to come inside the box. In order to do that, see here, when you calculate scale box width 300 by 1024, which is 0.2929, scale box height is 200 by 1024, which is 0.1953, and scale in these two options 0.2929, 0.1953, you have to pick the minimum value. Means you have to scale the image down to this value 0.1953, because the complete image has to be come inside the box. That's why you have to pick the minimum value, and resulting width is 1024 multiplied by 1953. So you are going to get width. Resulting height is 1024 multiplied by 1953, which is 200. Both are 200. So complete image will be present inside the box. That's why on the width side, left side 50 pixels, right side 50 pixels, empty space has been obtained. Because actually width is 300, but we scale down the image to 200 width. So that's why the space will come, but complete image will be contained inside the box. Now coming to the next one, BoxFit.cover. What is this cover option means? Cover means you have to cover entire box. So BoxFit.cover means completely you have to cover the full box. In order to do that, box width is 300 by 1024 and box height is 200 by 1024, which is 0.193. Scale, which is you are going to take maximum, because what is the maximum value? 0.2929. We are going to consider that 0.2929. You have to cover the entire box. So that's why resulting width is 300, resulting height is 300, but on the height side you are having only 200 pixels. So it is going to crop the image. The image will be scaled down to 300 by 300. Since the box is 300 by 200, the top 50 pixels and bottom 50 pixels are going to be cropped. That is how cover is going to be work. So the first option is cover option. Similarly, you are going to have fit width, fit height. You are going to understand that easily. See, BoxFit.fit width means width has to be covered. So when you scale down, it is going to consider the width option. Scale width is 300, so that's why 0.2929. Similarly, height, fit height. Height has to be covered. What is the height? 200 pixels. So that's why 200 has been covered. The next option is very important. BoxFit.none. None means scaling should not be done. The complete image has to be placed inside the box. And how it is going to consider? The image will be drawn as its full 1024 by 1024 size. Since the box is 300 by 200, only the top left 300 by 200 portion of the image will be visible on the screen, on the box. See, whenever you take the none option, see, this is how it is going to display. Top left side. And the next option is scale down. So the image has to be scaled down. You try to understand this, you are going to understand. Image has to be scaled down means if your image is bigger than the box size, it has to be scaled down. But if your image is less than the box size, it is not going to be scaled up. So that's why it will take only the option scale down option. If you mention that, it is going to take scale down option. So these are the options available in our BoxFit, in our See, when you check the documentation, which one we have used? BoxFit object. These are the values which we have. So this is how we need to use images inside the box. I hope you understand how this BoxFit options has been covered, and if you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. And here we have written a complex code in order to display these images, and we have not yet discussed how to write this coding, this complex level coding in our previous classes. So as of now, coding is not our motto. We are going to do multiple complex coding classes in our coming classes. So no need to worry. As of now, you please download the code and use the code. We are going to discuss how to write all these codings. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.